and this is going to be to show you a couple of things. So it'll be an overall review of this gear. We've got HTC TM700 full HD camcorder. I normally do a lot of stuff on the DSLR, but when it comes to shooting without a worry and handheld shots, I'm still getting good quality images. This camera has been great, and we'll give it a full test. That's a big battery I've got on there compared to what you would normally get. It's about 1350 milliamp hours for the normal battery. That's quite small. I'll show you the batteries. So that's the normal battery size that you would get with this camera, and it's VWVBG 130, and it's 1250 milliamp hours. It's quite small. If you compare that to the battery that I've upgraded to, it's 2640 milliamp hours. Fair bit bigger. But the bigger battery gives you longer time. So I've got two small ones, and they're Panasonic official ones. This one isn't Panasonic official, it's off an eBay shop. I paid 20 quid for it, quick delivery. And I haven't fully tested the time on this yet to see how much time I get from the big battery. The camera's got 32 gig internal memory, and I've got a couple of SD cards that I use. 3 MOS sensor, Joby surround sound, and it's a good cheap camera for what I paid for it. It does very well, and it's mounted to a cheap, again, C-clamp from eBay, which is plastic. It's a bit wobbly there, it looks like, but when you hold it correctly in this position, it kind of self-weighs, so you get better quality movement, less jittery shots. And I've got the C-clamp with the LED panel light, quite a large one, and that's a Youngnuo light. It takes 2 batteries, and you can adjust the power there, turn it and turns on, like how's the battery, like that. That's full power. I'm recording this here. That's the full power battery, and you can dial down the power holding it with your thumb, just like that, to half power, maybe like that. And you can change it for different light settings. Kelvin, turn that off. Okay. 32 to 56. You'll notice this C-clamp, I've upgraded the bolt because the quality bolt they give you is not great. That's a straight bolt through with 2 adjustable. I'll take them off just to show you properly. So if I screw this off, I'll then show you, that's the bolt coming through, and that basically just helps it push up against, so I get a tight fit so the LED panel doesn't spin. What they give you with it is rubbish, it's chewed up. It's good for audio if you want to put like a mic, because what they give you is a shoe mount, and similar to how you get on top of the DSLR where you put the flash in. But I just change this one altogether and put something more durable on there. So that's the plastic eBay C-clamp with a Panasonic HTC TM700 camera with extended battery. If I show you what we mean, so the power goes on from here. Right now with this battery, it's showing me, the extended battery, 3 hours 2 minutes. I'm not quite getting that. Let's try that. 3 hours and 2 minutes. We're ready to turn some recording. So not bad. The standard battery shows you hour and a half. You'll probably get an hour. On this I'm hoping to get 2 hours and 2 and a bit hours. With all the zoom usage and things like that, you'll get less than what it tells you there. So that's just an overview of the camera setup. Even that on its own is quite good. I'll show a bit of footage with the camera itself, so I'll record that. Let me just show you that, and I'll add that on to the end of this clip. For any questions, ask. We'll try and answer them. But, yep, as I say, mainly use DSLRs, but this, because it's so easy for quick videos, it's less hassle. This is a HTC 700 camera on a C-clamp stabilizer without the LED lights which is above it. So if I do a nice, you might see some wobble, but compared to hand holding it, it's a lot better. Okay, so exact same setting, just with the LED light on.